So, let's see where we are here. Galena, Kansas. And we're literally a block from, not even a block, from where we just stopped a minute ago over there. Down there. This is kind of cool. So this is cars on the Route 66. And we have, look at these old vintage gas pumps here. That's kind of neat, huh? And got some of these old vintage trucks. They look like they've seen better days. And then what do we have here? Inspiration. Tow Tater. Inspiration for Tow Matter 1951 International. In Galena, Texas, we found a lonely old tow truck that most folks would pass by without a second glance. Our head of story, Joe Ranft, however, saw beyond its rust and broken down parts. He saw the inspiration for the character Mater. They soon became kindred spirits. Joe gave Mater his warmth, his sense of fun, his humble and generous spirit, and his capacity to see and bring out the best in others. The Art of Cars by Michael Wallace with Susan Fitzgerald Rose. Forward by Pixar's John Lester. Oh, okay, yeah, so I can see it. These are probably the cars from there, right? Yeah, so that's pretty neat, right? Oh, that's Tow Mater right there, right? And then we have, yeah, I doubt that's gonna start. And then we have this old fire truck here. That's kind of interesting, right? I guess. All right, well, let's see what we got here. What's back in here? Nothing's in there. Okay. That's cool. All right, good. All right. Let's go see if there's anybody inside. Please do not open the doors. All right, well, let's go see if there's anybody inside. This is, looks like a typical, glaring, isn't it? Oh, I need to get me a sticker. I hope they're open. Oh, they're not open. Oh, what's today? Today is Friday. They should be open. All purchases help support this now. Okay. Well, I would have bought a sticker if you guys would have been open, but I guess not. All right. Well, and this is Canotechs. Interesting. All right. Canotechs right there. All right. And